we pledge ourselves
to
liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
greatness we say. The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's a fi all of me dogs in the streets. I do road this a crunch time.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, let's go. Look at the screen in front of you. Another gun weapon fine with uniform and everything. Now, as we move forward, a man, him get stabbed to death. See it right there, so. And as we move forward again, we look right there. Accident, student died. Another Trinidad prison officer shot. Crime crippling businesses in Trinidad. Securities at a high cost. Now, I want you to listen to this now. As we move forward, we're gonna look at the next one. Trinidad Prime Minister proposed crime talk team. Trinidad seized 35 high-powered guns and explosive. Music producer killed while buying food. Trinidad and Venezuela joined forces in fighting crime. Charges laid in the murder of the 4 kids. Security guard gunned down. As we move forward, there is more crime. Supermarket rob, wife beat up, murder, 2 shooting, Tobago man stabbed to death, woman stabbed to death. Trinidad businessman gunned down at workplace. Music artist and entertainer. Showcase your talent right here on Jamaica First, Country First. Give me a call via WhatsApp. The number is right there on the screen. Peace. Now, why do I do this? I do this to highlight what's going on in Trinidad. Now, Jamaica get a bad rap, and I'm always using a comparison, but what I'm trying to explain to people, if you put the statistics, for example, Jamaica is twice the size of Trinidad and we have twice the amount of people. Now, if Trinidad was the size of Jamaica, the murders and the killing would double and triple. So when you do the statistics with the estimates, say Trinidad was Jamaica, you see some staggering figures coming out of Trinidad. But like I said, I did this to show people that Trinidad is not a place to play with. There is multiple murders every day. The gangs are going at it. Big money in drugs. You see what I'm saying? There is no loyalty in that realm. As soon as you are done, you're on the hit list. But what really boggles me is really who is running the situation in Trinidad. Why is Trinidad so much out of crime with the crime wave? Is it politician? Is it gangs? Is it what is causing all this chaos in such a small, nice, rich beautiful country. If anybody have an explanation, please let me know, because this is very alarming. When you look through the Trinidad newspaper or you talk to anybody, all they're concerned about is crime. People can't even do their business because of crime. The music come to a halt because of crime and the gangs and the killing, and that's what's going on in Trinidad. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Peace, I'm out.